Good evening, friends. This day, I come to tell you about my experiences in Rock a festival that take place in the city of Bogota and that is called Rock 2 Park. This rock fair is held in the Simón Bolívar Metropolitan Park. These events takes place in the middle of the year between in the months of May and July, and is considered the largest free festival of and outdoors in Latin America. I have attended the last version that was made in 2018, and in my personal opinion, it was being the best of all. I have been rocking to the park with five another friends. We have spent most of your time jumping and dancing to the music. When we have been hungry, we have eaten a variety of fast food, such as skewers, burgers, hot dogs, and fries. But these types of events lend themselves a lot of consuming alcoholic beverage. We have drunk beer, whiskey, brandy, and chicha. All these liquors we have accompanied with water. To be a rock event, all the people we have attended have dresses in black clothes. For example, I have worn a black t-shirt with an American group print called Guns N' Roses. We wore black jeans and black boots. Bogota is a city located 2,600 meters above sea level, so its temperature is very cold. I have used a black jacket to cover myself from the cold. This version of 2019 have participated rock bands such as Juanes, The Invisible Friends, The Tree, and the Fito Páez. The latter has been one of my favorite artists. I have delighted listening to some of his songs such as To Give Is To Give, Next to the Road, Love After Love, and Technicolor Butterfly.
Es solamente mi manera de andar. Dar es dar. Lo que recibo de vos es también libertad. Y cuando estoy perdido por dolor.
In September of this year, the Rock in Rio festival will be held, and I will do my best to attend. They have not yet announced which artists will attend, but I am sure that the best exponents of rock in roll in the world will attend. There I go, Brazil. Until next time, goodbye.